Are you tired of your Gumroad sales showing the wrong time? Fix your time zone in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact 7 clicks to change your time zone to Mexico City. Let's start from your dashboard. Start by clicking on Dashboard to get to your main account area. Click the drop-down menu in the top right corner. From that menu, go ahead and select Settings to open your account settings. Find the Time Zone section and click the drop-down to see the list of options. Scroll down and select Mexico City from the list. Once you've chosen your time zone, click on Update Settings to save the change. And that's it! You're all set! Your time zone has been updated. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.